Hey guys, it's me, Caroline. Me and Marianne did not get together today because the body aches came back and I don't know what's going on. So I've just been laying low and just crafting. So this is how far I got on my diamond dots, and I still have that much more to do. It's taking me forever, this one. I got my dad's done much quicker than this one. But actually, yeah, let me shut the light so you guys can see how this, all right, maybe not, so you guys can see how this looks. And I've been doing a few other things, which I will show you guys. And here so far is my entry into Anna Colby's traveling flipbook. So I decorated this with vintage recipe scrapbook paper, and I put some flowers, and there's like recipes, but I realized I put it in upside down. Okay, and then over here I put burlap, and I put some more stickers, and I used a recipe card, and I laminated it. And recipe for life. This was my recipe for life, or is my recipe for life. I love this. Over here, time 1 to 100 years. Ingredients: God, love, risk, and wine. Directions: have faith in God, surround yourself with love, take at least one risk, and drink good wine. So I am also going to, and over here I have all that. I am also going to include a picture of me and a little backstory on myself. Sorry, that's little Dookie. He's in the background. My mom is here. And that is how this is looking so far. So what I first begin doing is I take the Mod Podge and I use this little doodad to blot, and I blotted them all with Mod Podge, and then after that I sprinkled the glitter. I sprinkled glitter on it, and then I did another layer of Mod Podge. So these are the bodies of the snowman, and these will be the tops. Okay, so this is how they turned out. Final, and then what you do is, I figured if someone needs to change the tea light, which is battery operated, they just lift the head and they put it down. I used the googly eyes because I could not draw after putting the Mod Podge and the glitter. So, and I also added some little jewels on the bottom. I still have to blow dry it so I can get off all the glue gun little strings, but this is supposed to look like ice. And this is how it came out. I love it. Love, love, love it.